Hi everyone, welcome to an art lesson with Miss Lily. For today's video, we're going to be making egg carton goldfish. They're super easy to make, but make sure to ask a parent for some extra help. Here are a couple things that you'll need for this project. An egg carton, some white paper, some tape and scissors, a palette, and 3 different size brushes, a large one, medium, and a small one for detail. Some acrylic paint. Today I have yellow, orange, and magenta, but you can also use pink or red. Black and white acrylic paint, and a bowl for water. If you don't have any paints, you can always use markers, color pencils, or even crayons. So we're going to start with some water, some paper, and our palette with yellow and orange paint. With our large brush, we're going to dip it in the water, get some yellow, and we're going to start from the top and make our way to the bottom. Make sure to switch between yellow and orange throughout the entire page. Once you're done, flip your page over and paint this entire side as well. We're all done. Let's let that dry, move on to the next step. Grab your egg carton and cut one of the pieces off. And make sure to trim off the edges. With our scissors, we're going to cut 2 short lines, one on the right and one on the left. These 2 cuts are only going to go up halfway. We're going to make one more cut. It's going to go all the way up. So we have 3 cuts in the back and a large area in the front. That's where we're going to make the face for our goldfish. Let's go ahead and paint it. We're going to need our water and some white paint. Once we're done, we're going to let that dry for a bit and move on to the next step. Let's go back to our yellow paper. We're going to cut this in 3 parts. Fold your paper in half, and with some scissors, we're going to cut along the middle line. Now fold one of the smaller pieces and repeat the same step. Let's start off with the 2 smaller pieces. We're going to rip the edges to create a round shape. We're going to do the same step to the larger piece. This shape is going to be a little bit more oval. Grab your white egg carton and paint it yellow. Let's let that dry for a bit and go back to our paper. Grab the pieces and crumble it up as much as you can. Once we crumble our pieces, we will fold them. Grab the large piece and fold it up like a taco. Fold down and up and down until you have a Dorito shape, also a W. And do the same to the other 2. We're going to grab our egg carton and stuff the bigger piece in that line. Grab some tape and tape it down. Repeat the same step to the smaller one and fold it back. Grab some tape and tape it down. And do the same to the other piece. Fold those 2 pieces back and add extra tape. Open up the paper a bit to fluff up the fins and the tail. Next, we're using white, pink, and black for the face. With your smallest brush, you're going to get a little bit of white and create 2 circles for the eyes. Grab some pink and create a donut shape for the mouth. And finally, grab some black for the eyes. All done. I hope you guys like this lesson. Remember to send some pictures of your work. You could be featured in our next video and our website.